deeper. It wasn't.
Yeah, but
it didn't get any better.
Yeah.
It doesn't get any better. You just.
They should have had a turnaround route, anyways.
We should have just stayed at home.
Yeah. Anyways, y'all keep us in prayer, man. Y'all know anybody got a Jeep or a 4x4, man, that's sitting high, some 30s or 35s, come holler at me. You know, I got money on me, so cash money, whoever want to come get me, man, come get your work in.
But don't be dumb. If your car's not high, don't even think about it. Because freaking...
I got a band on me. Y'all come get me. I'm going to leave this Camry right here. Call the insurance, man. Anyways, I'm all right. I'm not going to die or anything like that. Don't worry. It's just, we're just going to sit here in this rain until something happens.
Okay.
Signing out.
Look at this shit. This shit crazy.
Easy and fast, and now our cars are like gone forever, probably. It being that wet, you know. Shit.
This the parking lot.
Way up on the side.
That's what we gonna able to push this bitch up. Y'all all right? All right.
Way up on Dairy Effort, but I pushed it up to the
like
the parking lot.
Huh? Like Broad Forest?
Yeah, right by Kroger. I was just coming home from work.
Yeah. Flooding over there too?
Oh yeah, I barely got out of the on the street. There's a bunch of cars.
Y'all send up some prayers. I need y'all to stay in the house. Like I swear I watch the news all the time, and I kind of knew this was gonna happen. I have faith in God, but I don't never forsake the reality of life. You know what I'm saying? People's always saying this shit wasn't gonna happen. This shit real. This shit has happened to me before. I remember Allison. I remember Ike. I remember having to have no power for days. Me and my mama and them. Shit, my nephew don't even remember because he was young. We fucking lighting up boudins with lighters and shit. That was hurricane night. This time, look at these cars though.
Okay.
They trying. Shit, they about to get stuck. Bro. The other car got stuck. What the hell?
They're not doing nothing but...
Can y'all move? Are y'all stuck? They shouldn't even... I wouldn't advise y'all coming this way. I hate when... Hey, it's deep going that way. I wouldn't recommend it. If y'all can get on high level, that'd be better.
Oh my God, look, bro. I'm fucking 5'11", my nigga. And this shit is to my knees. So you already know. This water is way too fucking high. Oh man, I should ride these cars. I'm about to put one of these niggas' cars in neutral and let that shit float. Oh, where the fuck is the sidewalk? What the fuck? Is that a turtle, nigga? Oh hell nah, nigga. What the fuck, bro? All right, I'm out the water for the 50th time, and I'm still no closer to my destination. Man, that's an Audi? Man, these niggas done ruined some whips. Some of these niggas put their whips in this shit on purpose, just so y'all know. These niggas set their cars in this water, bro. All right. Hey, y'all, I'm being as careful as I can be in fucking storm weather. Swear to God, I am. I don't know what block I'm on, but I know Bro, I'm looking at this shit. I ain't playing in the water, but you want me to run through it? I'm already soaking wet. Bro, bro, like, I'm coming as fast as I can.
You fuck up.
Bro.
You fucking up, dog. Fucking up.
Bro.
If you don't get your stupid ass out the water.
Man, my phone just went up.
Oh, man, go get your dumb ass out that water. Fucking alligator will come and take your fucking ass.
I'm trying my best to get that, dog. Like, this shit is fucking horrible, bro. Like, bro, I done see big Audis, everything stuck in this water, man. I'm about to put one of these bitches in neutral and float, bro.
Hey, bro. Right here. All you gotta do is me.
Man, bro, I don't even know.
It's right here. Close, but so far away.
This is the worst shit, bro. Bro, I'm about
But real shit, though. Hey, you might want to get the fuck. Hey, yeah. Shit's real.
I'm about to start jogging through this shit, bro. This shit ain't cool, my nigga. Oh, shit. Like, I literally got water up to my knees, bro.
Hey, bro. Where the fuck you at?
So I can have this hand free, cause I'm about to break, bro.
Nigga, you still on Richmond?
Nah, I'm walking down one of these fucking streets to get to West Top. I walked all the way down Richmond though. I didn't cut across the.
Oh Lord, fuck you. Hey, fuck about to light that blunt on your ass. But I won't smoke so bad waiting on your crazy ass.
You see what I'm going through out here, man? The only nigga experiencing right now.
Yeah, bro.
I don't see nobody but me.
Oh, and it's on the rain again on your dog ass. Ooh. And it's raining, dog. Hey, yeah. Fucking up. You fucked up when you started driving in this shit from jump.
Boy, that nigga shit's about to stop.
Hey.
Well, I can hear the water in that boy shit. I couldn't go.
Where you at? Wait, what
That
happened?
boy shit sound like it's about to cut off.
That shit probably is about to cut off. Whoever driving this shit is a dumbass.
Oh shit.
Whoever dumb enough to drive in this shit is fucking.
He probably went to his friend's house.
This guy doing it.
Oh, okay, wait, don't. Oh, he drunk. Maybe no. Okay, we ain't got water on here, so by rescue right here. Hello. Uh-oh. More water coming. We're almost to, I don't want to say, because people walking in the street. People walking, their car is stuck. It's 2 a.m. Oh my goodness. Water, people be careful.
Louisiana's gonna be worse. Last time the tornado hit in Louisiana, a hurricane, it got bad. Let me ask the neighbors though. Let me see where they're going. Oh. But do check the weather, see how is it in Louisiana. If it's better than here, we'll leave right now. Hey Omar, ¿cómo está ya el clima ahorita en Lake Charles? ¿Está lloviendo mucho o no? Nah, dude, next time I go to California, we'll have a beer or two. Maybe like a 6-pack. Damn. I can't go inside, Emma. The hood has to know the truth. It has to know the real Harvey. The behind the story. Damn. Tal vez vamos a tener que ir para allá, Omar, porque aquí está poniendo bien feo.
Hey, Juliana, you're heavy.
How you like my nails? How you like my nails?
I'm Alex. I'm on live on Facebook, and you're over here dancing on my video.
Oh.
Why are you live on Facebook?
Because.
Why on Facebook? Why not Instagram?
Oh, here, sit down.
No.
Here, okay, we'll sit
Why
down
not
right here.
Instagram? Why not live video? Why not live.com?
Jesus, Father God, go through the boys' home, oh God, go through the girls' home, oh God, go through the attention, oh God, Father God, the prostitutes, oh God, the girls that, oh God.
Stay can wait until you get help?
Yeah, I'm waiting. I mean, I got to wait it out. I mean, I got to stay awake. If it gets too high, we got to figure out something else. Maybe go sit on the roof.
Wow. I hope it does not come to that. Anthony Henderson down in southeast Houston on Sagemont.
Sage Orchard.
Sage, what is it?
Sage Orchard Lane. Sage Orchard and Beamer. Anybody got an airboat? Come on down.
Maybe somebody will, Anthony. We wish you the best for you and your family, your 5-year-old in particular. Mm-hmm. Be as comfortable as you can and hold on. I'm sure help is on its way.
All right, y'all have a good one. Take care.
All right, Anthony.
You too. What an...
Yo Eduardo que no vaya a parar. ¿Ah? Que no vaya a parar, que se la lleve la... Dale. Me estoy sintiendo el agua en los pies. ¿Se metió el agua ahí?
Ay, sí, se está metiendo el agua.
Hay lugares que son bajitos.
Dale, ya pasó.
Tenía que pasar.
¡Mira el carro! ¡Oh my God! ¿Lo viste? ¡Mira! Ya la cagó el gordo, ya le cubrió el agua.
¿Qué?
Mierda.
Aquí, este es lo más hondo que hemos pasado. Louisiana's gonna be worse. Last time the tornado hit in Louisiana, I mean a hurricane, it got bad. Let me ask the neighbors though. Let me see where they're going. Oh. But do check the weather, see how is it in Louisiana. If it's better than here, we'll leave right now. Hey Omar, ¿cómo está ya el clima ahorita en Lake Charles? ¿Está lloviendo mucho o no? Nah, dude, next time I go to California, we'll have a beer or two. Maybe like a 6-pack. Damn. I can't go inside, Emma. The hood has to know the truth. It has to know the real Harvey. The behind the story. Damn. Tal vez vamos a tener que ir para allá, Omar, porque aquí está poniendo bien feo.